Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you step by step through exactly how to create a Payoneer business account for your LLC so you can seamlessly receive global payments, link to major e-commerce platforms, and manage your international revenue without friction. If you have recently established your limited liability company, securing a robust multi-currency financial platform is your absolute next priority. But if you try to register a standard personal account by mistake, you will face major compliance rejections later on. Today, we are breaking down the exact registration sequence, the mandatory corporate documentation, and the critical verification details required to get your LLC business account fully approved. Let us start with Phase 1, which is gathering your corporate foundation documents before you even navigate to the sign-up page. Payoneer enforces exceptionally strict federal compliance standards to prevent fraud, which means they will manually audit your company details. You must have 3 specific items completely ready. First, your official state-approved Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation. Second, your official Employer Identification Number confirmation letter, known as the CP-575 form, directly from the IRS. Third, a valid business bank statement or an official corporate utility bill issued within the past 3 months to serve as your strict proof of company address. Once your files are organized, we move to Phase 2, the digital application configuration. Head directly to the official Payoneer portal and click Register. The system will instantly prompt you to choose your entity structure, presenting options for an individual freelancer or a company legal entity. You must select Company right here. If you accidentally select Individual, you will never be able to input your corporate tax records. Once inside the company portal, you will be required to input your legal business name, your state registration number, and the exact formation date, precisely as they appear on your state documents. The slightest spelling discrepancy or mismatched number will trigger an automated compliance red flag, pausing your application for weeks. That brings us directly to Phase 3, which is defining the operational authority and ownership structure. Payoneer requires a designated authorized representative to manage the platform profile. As the LLC owner, you will input your personal legal name, your date of birth, and your valid international passport or driver's license number. You must also disclose any ultimate beneficial owners who own 25% or more of the company equity. Following this, the interface will require your withdrawal banking details. You must connect a corporate checking account that matches your exact LLC legal name. Connecting a personal bank account under your individual name at this step will cause an immediate validation failure. Finally, Phase 4 is the active verification upload pipeline. Once the baseline digital form is submitted, your account will enter a restricted pending status. You must immediately navigate straight to the Settings menu and open the Verification Center dashboard. This is where you will upload pristine, full-color, high-resolution scans of your IRS EIN document, your state Articles of Organization, and your clear photo identification. Do not upload blurry photographs or cropped screenshots because the manual review team will reject them instantly. Once your high-quality files are submitted, the compliance department typically completes the authorization review within 3 to 5 business days. When the approval confirmation drops into your inbox, your global receiving balances will instantly activate, and your LLC is officially open to the international market. Subscribe for more.